It's Groovy World. What's up? What's up? So today we're gonna discuss how I made my logo. Let's get right to it.
So for first order of business of logo animation without anyone or business or anyone doing it, so for you to do it for yourself, you want to individually have different photo transitions that could flow together. So that way when you put these pictures into a video, they flow. And if you look real close, you can see that I didn't do a good job, and that's because I was aware that it would only be used for video, the animation part, right? So like you see like the dents and stuff in there, and like it's not perfect. But the thing about video is tricky. So we got the plug, the butterfly, the double B, it starts to fade away into the S sign, then the sign starts to cha-ching and save up and build up more, and then it starts to shrink. And the S becomes for the spaz. And if you know who I am and what I do, you know what spaz is. It's C, perspective, art, Zacking style. Then that S turns into an 8, which happens to be my favorite number. But this all turns into this idealistic view that I had for it. So it goes a little something like this, space button to play. A little computer hack for you guys out there. But now you can see down it's bigger at the imperfections. And next time you guys see my logo animation, see if you can pinpoint the messed up parts.
Now you want to take all of your pictures and email them one by one. And you want to go to YouTube and find some files, some cool green screen record them. Then you just layer them. Layer on layer, on layer on layer. Now, with every layer, you want to speed it up, add what you have, add layer on layer, do different transitions, what you have to do to make it look nice, you know? So here's the first one before all the sounds and stuff were added. And then we move on to the next one where I speed it up a little bit and add the other green screen effects to it. But then that wasn't enough. I wasn't done yet. So I had to add more layers on layers on layers from scratch. As my mom used to say, she could make something out of nothing. Or nothing out of something. It's something like that. But anyway, that's nothing for you to worry about. Considering, you see what I did there? Something or nothing, nothing or something. Something for you, but like that, but nothing for you to, okay.
Interrupt your regularly scheduled program for this special report.
Ready?